Tired person waking up morning and see tired every morning. Belly fat that won't leave? The real reason will shock you. What if I told you the reason you feel tired, bloated, and stuck has nothing to do with your diet or workout? Bloated stomach plus dull skin, face plus stressed, tired person. Wake up exhausted every morning. Belly fat that never goes away. Skin breakouts, bloating, brain fog. You wake up exhausted. Your belly stays puffy no matter how clean you eat. Your skin won't clear up. You have this constant fog in your head. Sound familiar? You are not lazy. Your body is being blocked by one overworked organ that nobody talks about. Subscribe, Bell New Natural Health Tip every single week. If you want more videos like this, hit subscribe right now and ring that bell. You will not regret it. Liver explanation. Liver organ body animation or human body 3D detox. Your liver does 500 plus jobs every single day. It burns fat, clear skin filters your blood. When it slows down, your whole body breaks down. Your liver is your body's master filter. It performs over 500 functions every single day. It filters toxins from your blood, burns fat, balances hormones, and controls your energy. But when the liver gets overloaded with processed food, chemicals, and stress, it slows down. And when the liver slows down, everything slows down with it. Clock 11 p.m., night dark, person sleeping peacefully, bedroom 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. equals your liver's detox window. Most people waste this every single night. Your liver does its deepest repair work between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. every night. That is your body's natural healing window. Most people go to bed without giving their liver any support at all. Tonight, that changes. Cinematic dark, turmeric, lemon, honey, warm drink mug, steam, the overnight liver, flush drink. 4 ingredients ready in 2 minutes, drink before bed. I am going to show you a simple 4-ingredient drink that activates your liver's natural detox cycle while you sleep. A 2024 clinical study found this key ingredient reduced liver fat by up to 28% in just 12 weeks. Let me break it down for you. Golden hour. 4 ingredients: turmeric powder, spoon, raw honey jar, drip, lemon squeeze juice, warm water, pour mug, 20 sec each. 01 turmeric 1/2 teaspoon reduces liver fat by 28%. 2024 study. 2. Raw honey, -1 teaspoon, fuels liver's overnight repair. 3. Lemon juice. Half a lemon flushes toxins from blood. 4. Warm water, 1 full cup, warm only, never cold. Ingredient 1. Turmeric, ½ teaspoon. It contains curcumin, one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds on earth. It stimulates bile in your liver, your body's natural fat-flushing fluid. A 2024 study showed it reduced liver fat by 28% in 12 weeks. Ingredient to raw honey. 1 teaspoon. Raw honey contains enzymes that fuel your liver's repair cycle overnight. Always use raw, never processed. Ingredient 3. Fresh lemon juice. Half a lemon, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that flush toxins directly from your bloodstream. Ingredient for warm water, 1 full cup. Never cold. Warm water opens your digestive system, so every ingredient absorbs faster and works deeper. Hands mixing, drink mug, kitchen stirring. Step 1. Squeeze 1/2 lemon into warm water. Step 2. Add 1/2 TSP. Turmeric. Step 3. Stir in 1 TSP. Raw honey. Step 4. Drink slowly, 20 minutes before bed. Do this every night for 30 days. Here is exactly how to make it. Squeeze half a lemon into 1 cup of warm water. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Stir in 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Mix it well and drink it slowly, 20 minutes before bed. That is it. 2 minutes to prepare. And your liver works all night to do the rest. Happy person, morning, energetic, flat stomach, healthy, clear, glowing skin. Day 3 to 5, wake up lighter and less bloated. Week 2, clearer skin, better digestion, more energy. Week 4, stubborn belly fat starts to shrink. Day 30, your liver is running clean again. Here is what most people experience. In the first 3 to 5 days, you wake up feeling lighter, less bloated, more rested. That is, your liver starting to clear its backlog. By week 2, your skin begins to clear, digestion smooths out, and your energy stops crashing. By week 4, that stubborn belly fat starts to shift. Because your liver is finally burning fat the way it was always designed to, give it 30 days. Stay consistent. And watch your body change from the inside out. Fresh or natural. Person smiling, healthy sunrise, morning kitchen, warm. Try this drink tonight. Comment below. How do you feel in the morning? Subscribe, like, share with one person who needs this. Your liver works for you every second of every day. All it needs is a little support and it will pay you back with better energy, cleaner skin, and a body that finally feels right. Try this drink tonight, just tonight. And comment below. Tell me how you feel in the morning. I read every single comment. If this helped you, share it with one person who needs to hear this. Subscribe for a new natural health video every day. Take care of yourself. I will see you in the next one. Person smiling, healthy sunrise morning, kitchen warm. Try this drink tonight. Comment below. How do you feel in the morning? Subscribe, like, share with one person who needs it. Your liver works for you every second of every day. All it needs is a little support, and it will pay you back with better energy, cleaner skin, and a body that finally feels right. Try this drink tonight, just tonight, and comment below. Tell me how you feel in the morning. I read every single comment. If this helped you, share it with one person who needs to hear this. Subscribe for a new natural health video every day. Take care of yourself. I will see you in the next one.